Hello everyone, welcome to the Nifty Prediction Weekly video series. I am BL Guru. The Indian markets are coming close to their tops. The Indian benchmark indices have very limited room on the upside to move up from here. Nifty can rise above 20,000, there is no doubt in that. However, once it goes above 20,000, that will be a time to turn a bit cautious rather than becoming overly bullish. Because a strong long-term trendline resistance is coming up for the Nifty that can halt the current rally. So, we will be looking for the Nifty to turn around anywhere between 20,000 to 20,200 and see a correction. Let us now look at the charts and see how far the Nifty can rise from here and how far the correction can happen going forward. Nifty has supports at 19,670 and 19,460. As long as it stays above these supports, the outlook will remain bullish. We expect Nifty to rise back to 20,000 and 20,100 in the near term. But important to note is that the region around 2200 is a very strong long-term trend resistance. So, Nifty is coming close to a top of the current rally. We can expect the Nifty to see a correction from around 2200 towards 19,500 and even 19,000 in the coming weeks. Nifty Bank Index has seen a strong rise and a breakout last week. The outlook is bullish. Support will now be at 45,400. The index can rise to 47,500 and 47,700 in the coming weeks. The price action thereafter will need a close watch to see if the Nifty Bank Index is reversing lower or not. As expected, the Dow Jones has risen, breaking its 33,600 and 34,600 range on the upside. It is now heading up towards 35,500 in line with our expectation. Key resistances are at 35,600 and then at 35,900 and 36,000. We can expect the upside to be capped at 36,000 for now. A corrective fall from either 35,500 itself or from around 36,000 can take the down to 35,000 and 34,700 in the coming weeks. As we mentioned in the beginning, it is now time to turn a bit cautious rather than becoming overly bullish. Nifty has a strong resistance at 20,200. We can expect a turnaround from there and a strong correction towards 19,500 and even 19,000 going forward. Nifty Bank Index can rise to 47,500 and 47,700. Thereafter, it can see a correction. Dow Jones has strong resistance at 35,600 itself and then at 36,000. We expect the upside to be capped at 36,000 going forward. The Dow Jones can see a correction from around 36,000 towards 35,000 and even 34,500 going forward. If you have any questions on F&O, please write to derivatives@thehindu.co.in. To know the outlook on specific stocks that you are holding and get advice on whether to book profit or hold it or buy more, write to techtrail@thehindu.co.in. For any queries on mutual funds, email to mf@thehindu.co.in. For any questions, clarifications on investments, personal finance, write to blportfolio@thehindu.co.in. To get more insights on investments, personal finance, stocks and commodity picks for short and long term based on technical analysis as well as F&O strategies, subscribe to BL Portfolio section from the link that you see on your screen. Please note that the outlook given in this video is based on technical analysis. These are strictly not trade recommendations. If you want to trade this view, please read the detailed index outlook article published in our website in the portfolio section. The link of the article is given below in the description.